Sometimes we spend money not out of choice or willingly, but forcefully, out of compulsion. The reasons could be emotional reasons, family pressure, social pressure, lack of boundary. We want to say no, but we say yes, or simply some unexpected medical or any repair work. Something comes up and we have to spend money out of resistance and attachment. You just have to affirm, go with love, grow with love. Say this to money: go with love, grow with love. If you say this, affirm these words, the money will go willingly, not out of force, and it will create abundance, trust, and gratitude. Go with love, grow with love.